Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for AWS Certified SysOps Administrator Associate. You can download the complete list of AWS-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on SysOps Administrator Associate is: how do you troubleshoot performance issues in an AWS environment? Your answer should be: troubleshooting performance issues in an AWS environment involves monitoring resource utilization metrics, analyzing logs, setting up CloudWatch alarms, using AWS Trusted Advisor, and leveraging other AWS monitoring and debugging tools. Our next interview question is: what are the different types of load balancers available in AWS? Your answer should be: AWS offers three types of load balancers: Classic Load Balancer (CLB), Application Load Balancer (ALB), and Network Load Balancer (NLB). Each type serves different use cases and provides specific features and functionalities. Our next interview question is: what is AWS Cloud Formation and how is it used? Your answer should be: AWS Cloud Formation is a service that allows you to provision and manage AWS infrastructure as code. It uses templates to define the resources and their configurations, enabling you to create, update, and delete entire stacks of AWS resources in an automated and repeatable manner. Our next interview question is: how can you monitor costs and uses in AWS? Your answer should be: you can monitor costs and uses in AWS using services like AWS Cost Explorer, AWS Budgets, AWS Cost and Uses Report, and AWS Trusted Advisor. These services provide insights into your AWS spending, help you set budgets, and optimize your resource uses to minimize costs. Our next interview question is: what is AWS CloudTrail and how does it work? Your answer should be: AWS CloudTrail is a service that enables governance, compliance, operational auditing, and risk auditing of your AWS account. It records API calls and related events made by or on behalf of your AWS account and delivers log files to an Amazon S3 bucket for storage and analysis. Our next interview question is: how do you ensure high availability in an AWS environment? Your answer should be: high availability in an AWS environment can be achieved by distributing resources across multiple availability zones (AZs), using autoscaling to maintain the desired number of instances, configuring health checks and alarms, and leveraging services like Amazon Route 53 for DNS routing and failover. Our next interview question is: what is Amazon RDS and how does it differ from Amazon Aurora? Your answer should be: Amazon RDS, that is Relational Database Service, is a fully managed relational database service that supports multiple database engines like MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQL Server, and Oracle. Amazon Aurora is a MySQL and PostgreSQL compatible relational database built for the cloud. offering higher performance, scalability, and availability compared to traditional database engines. If you are preparing for any AWS based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.